In this video, we will demonstrate how to create a mobile content page for the mobile app. There are two options when it comes to adding pages to the mobile app. This video will focus on adding a mobile content specific page for the app. The mobile content page allows you to create a completely new page specifically for the mobile app. In order to create a mobile content page, we're going to start by selecting our mobile root level within the content tree. From here, we're going to go ahead and click that plus sign above the content tree. And we're going to select the first option, which is our mobile content page. From here, we can go ahead and give our page a name. This name will appear within the super menu for the mobile app. Next, it is highly recommended to add a teaser image, and the teaser image will display for the page directly on the home page of the mobile app. If we do not include a teaser image, the image will appear as a broken link icon on the mobile app. For the teaser image, the file size should be 1024 pixels wide by 326 pixels high. So we'll go ahead and click Choose File. This will open up your computer files where you can go ahead and select your file and click Open. Then we can go ahead and click Save. The new page will be added to the bottom of the list for all your mobile app pages. But your pages can be easily moved by using the up and down arrows located above the content tree. You'll also notice that mobile content pages will publish right away. So if you do not want this page to be visible on the mobile app, we're going to navigate over to Properties, Navigation. You'll uncheck Show in Navigation and save and publish your page. Then once you're ready with the page, you've added all your content, you can come back into Navigation, check mark Show in Navigation, save and publish, and your page will now appear within the mobile app. Now before we add any content to the mobile content page, the first thing you want to do is figure out the security settings for this page. So i.e., who do you want to be able to view this page within the mobile app? In order to review our security settings, we're going to navigate back over to Properties, and at the very bottom, select Security. You may have some default roles already in your permissions. If not, we're going to go ahead and click Add Roles. Switching our roles over to 25 per page, there are three main roles that you'll use for your pages. The first one is Everyone. This means that everyone would have access to this page on the mobile app, including members who are logged in, as well as the general public. Members is used for any pages that you only want visible to your membership. Lastly is non-authenticated users, and these are any users that are not currently logged into the app, so i.e. the general public. When an authenticated user logs into the app, such as a member, these pages will disappear from the super menu. Once you're ready, make sure you select the role, click Select, and once you've done that, you're going to click on the role and allow them to read that page. At the very bottom of the page, we have Access requires authentication. If you have set this to an everyone or not authenticated users role, we can leave this at Inherits No. However, if you have set this to a member's page, you'll want to make sure you set this to Yes requires authentication, as this will force the member to log into the app before they can view the page. After you've made your adjustments, just make sure you click Save. Now while setting the security settings, if you need to change them different to what you currently see in users and roles, you'll notice that this page will inherit permissions from the parent page, i.e. the mobile root level. This can be changed by clicking Change Permission Inheritance. Then we're going to choose the first option, which is to break that inheritance and copy parent permissions. This will now indicate that our page does not inherit permissions from the parent level, and from here we could always click Not Authenticated Users and remove that role. That way we know that this is going to be a members only page, and just as a reminder, at the very bottom we just want to make sure we click Requires Authentication and Save. Now that we've applied our security settings, we can go ahead and add content to our page. In order to do that, we want to make sure we're within the Page tab, as well as our edit mode. For the mobile content page, you will have a header, which you can use for titles if you like, as well as the body content box. The mobile content pages will have full use of the content editor, which has similar features to the editor found on the desktop pages. Once you've made any changes to your page, just make sure you save. And just a friendly reminder that the page will automatically publish to the mobile app.